Hi everyone, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I will be covering some really cool stuff in Python programming language, right? So as I have discussed in the previous video, I have said that this is introduction to CTF hacking competition. So this is a very basic, crucial to someone who is new in cybersecurity field. So without saying too much, let's go further. So Python programming language is a widely high-level programming language used by the hackers and ethical hackers, even the blue teams and red teams, even security researchers or cybersecurity practitioners. So in this video, we're going to cover how can you write your first program in Python, right? So let's create a Python folder on our desktop so that I can work with it. So I'm going to Ctrl+Shift+N, my keyboard shortcut. So let's call it Python CTF. Let me open my text editor. So let me save it on my terminal. On the folder I've created, which is Python_CTF demo.py. We're going to run our first program in Python. So we'll start by defining variable. No, not variable. So the variable will be coming last, right? So let's start by write print road, just like this, right? So to be able to run this line, I'm going to use Python, which I have installed on my environment, right? So you can just install by yourself by going to Microsoft Store and you just search Python and you just install it. So for me, I have already installed it, right? So if let me just show you how you can install Python in your environment. Just search Python and just hit enter. So yeah, you can just even install the new Python, which is Python 3.7, right? So yeah, that's for it. So after that, you just go into open cmd command prompt where you can run this file. Verify if the Python has already installed. You just write Python 3. Sorry, yeah, it's already. I detected it. So can you see it's a version 3.10.10, right? So let's just navigate to that folder we have created, which is called the Python_CTF. So I'm going to change the directory to desktop there to list the directory inside of this folder. So we have seen that we have created our file Python. Oh, I just mistaken the name of the Python file, right? Python folder, sorry. Yeah, it's okay. So you can just change it. Python_CTF. Let's just run again. Yeah, already changed. So let's move to Python. Sorry, we have that file we have created, right? Decent. So this file, to be able to run this file, we just need to firstly write Python 3, and we pass as argument as our file we have created. Let's add this file here name demo.py. So you can see we get output as we have seen in that text editor, right? So this is how you can run your first program in Python, just like this, right? So because I have changed the folder name, it's asked me to save it again, so which is easy. It's .py. So let's go. Here we can see we can even assign the value to our variable. So Python is easy. You just need to no need to write so much. You just no need to add like symbol like in PHP. You just need to, before you define the variable, you just add the $sign to the current variable in PHP, right? But Python, you just write the variable name only, like just like this. The more, sorry, please subscribe, just like this, and you print the variable name which is hold this string here. So let's just learn our file again. Yeah, you can see you get the same result, like just to get it here. We just get output, not changes, right? So that's how you can define the variable in Python. You can just even assign so much things, like you can just even assign numbers. Yeah, if you print, you get 2, right? Just here. It's the same as to print 2 only, but to be able to make our code looks very smooth and easier to someone who is going to read it, you just need to add the variable name that will assign the value. So we are just going to see how can we add the 2 numbers, right, in this programming language. We just copy this number, sorry, that code, and paste. So here we have defined variable name 1, which goes side 1, and side 2 we assign it 4, and we assign it the value here 4 and 8. So we just declared another variable called result, which we take these 2 variables and make multiplication between 2 among those variables, right? So just print the result here. So let's just print the result and see what's coming. It's 32 because 4 times 8 it is 32, right? So if I change it like 2 times 2, it's 4. Like 4 multiplication. So that's how you can add the multiplication operation in Python. So another things we haven't seen, it's a for loop in Python. So for loop in Python, it's going to calculate from 0 to 19, from range 20, right? So let's do this. Like for x in range 20, let's print x. We get from 0 to 19, right? Which is very, very crucial and very, very, very essential, right? So what if you want to see 20 only, not 19? So what you can add here, you can add 1, because in programming language it calculates from 0 to upper numbers, like from 0 to, it calculates from 0, not from 1, from 0, from 0, from 0. It's like indexing. It's like how the computer store the data on memory. It's calculated from 0, not from 1. That's how the programming language works. It's calculated from 0 to 1, from 0 to 1, from 0 to 1, just like this. If I add the 1 here and we print the file again, you can see 20 here because we add the 1. It's no longer start from 0 to 19. It starts from 0 to 20 because you add 1, right? It shifts this 0 and it calculates it. Once it calculates this 0, it will get the 19. But if you add 1, it calculates that 0 and add that 1 and you get the 20, right? Hope you guys understand it. So I hope you can see this, it's clear. You can just even determine what the output is going here. You can just mention it, right? So that was for this video. So thank you guys for watching this video. I will catch you next video.